Some important formula of trigonometry. This one is right angle triangle. This one is 90. So in front of 90 hypotenuse. This one is base and this one is perpendicular. This one is angle theta. And this one is B and this one is C. We know that hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Both sides divided by hypotenuse square. So hypotenuse upon hypotenuse and perpendicular upon hypotenuse and base upon hypotenuse. Is that clear? Hypotenuse to hypotenuse cancel out, 1 will come. So square of 1 is 1. We know that perpendicular upon hypotenuse is what? Sin theta, and square of sin theta is sin square theta. And this one is base upon hypotenuse cos theta, so square of cos theta, cos square theta. So first identity is what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Is that clear? And sin square theta equal to what? You have to transfer cos square theta to left hand side, so 1 minus cos square theta will come. This one is identity number second. If you transfer sin square theta to left hand side, and cos square theta will come. So cos square theta equal to what? 1 minus sin square theta. This one is identity number third. Next, if we divide by base square on both sides, so divide both sides by base square. So hypotenuse upon base square and perpendicular upon base square and base upon base square. So this one is 1. So square of 1 is 1. And perpendicular upon base is what? Tan square theta. So tan square theta will come. So hypotenuse upon base is what? Sec theta. So square of sec theta is sec square theta. So this is the identity 1 plus tan square theta equal to what? Sec square theta. If you transfer tan square theta to left hand side, then sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to what? 1. This one is identity number second. If we transfer 1 to left hand side, then sec square theta minus 1 will come. Sec square theta minus 1 will come. So sec square theta minus 1 equal to tan square theta. Is that clear? Now both sides divided by hypotenuse से divide किया perpendicular. Both sides divided by 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 perpendicular. So hypotenuse upon perpendicular square and perpendicular upon perpendicular square and base upon perpendicular square. So hypotenuse upon perpendicular is what? Cosec theta. So this one is cosec square theta, and this one is square of 1 is what? 1 plus base upon perpendicular is what? Cot theta. So square of cot theta is cot square theta. So this is the identity number 7. Now you transfer cot square theta to left hand side, then cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to what? 1. Next, if you transfer 1 to left hand side, then cosec square theta minus 1 equal to cot square theta. So these are the basic formula of trigonometry. We have some other formula also. So wait. Sin theta is what? 1 upon cosec theta, and cosec theta is what? 1 upon sin theta, and tan theta is what? 1 upon cot theta, and cot theta is what? 1 upon tan theta, and sec theta is what? 1 upon cos theta, and cos theta is what? 1 upon sec theta, and tan theta is also sin theta upon cos theta, sin theta upon cos theta, and cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta. Okay. Some important formula of statics. Chapter 14. So we know mean is what? Summation of fi xi upon fi, and by assumed mean a, this one is assumed mean plus summation of fi di, this one is deviation upon summation fi, this one is by deviation or assumed mean. Next method is step deviation. So this one is a, and this one is summation fi ui upon summation fi multiply h. These are the formula of mean. Next, median. Median is what? Median is L plus n upon 2 minus Cf upon f multiply में h. This one is median when class interval is given. Next, mode. Mode is what? L plus f1 minus f0 upon 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 multiply h. This one is mode. So these are the basic formula of chapter 14, and basically the formula of mode is a number which comes most of the time, and median after ascending order, middle term is median. So chapter 2, ax square plus bx plus c. This one is quadratic equation, and sum of zeros is what? Alpha plus beta minus b upon a, and alpha beta equal to c upon a. When a sum of zeros and product of zeros are given, then the equation is k x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta.